Alright, so I'm doing a quick video now on my setup and my van, because a few people have been asking about the 3D printed parts and the Steam Deck and the van as well, so let's just do a quick tour. It's a old VW T4, 27 years old. We have Gisela here, trusty companion, fridge, rig, well, you know, Steam Deck really. My music station, bed and couch and whatever you want. Steam Deck is on this 3D printed part. I'll screw it in here or inside here because it'll keep it cool and warm. Well, you know, cool in the summer, warm in the winter. Yeah. So I also use my carry my scooter around here, just if you need to get somewhere quickly. A lot of 3D printed parts in here. If you need any links, just ask me. This holder and the wine glasses that are up on here, the little thingies. Could you stop? Also her little holder for her food and water goes in here. And yeah, I have this here, which is my bin, and I pull it out and I use it as a, well, my stool really, to work and game. This is an old laptop monitor. It's been recycled from me. Added some, 3D printed stands. They're not final here yet. Just want to find a good position for here. Rocking the Crocs and the socks. Yeah, it's all still a work in progress. Like I said, this button isn't connected. Well, it is connected, but it's not fully printed yet. So I can, turn this thing off and on whenever I need to. Yeah, I printed this as well, so I can have my voltage, percentage of the battery, amps going out and in, heater, obviously the normal control station, and a USB-C charger, 100 watts. That will power up just fine. It'll go into the back of this USB-C hub, and it'll fire up. Yeah, just some USB chargers. It's pretty basic in here. We have tinted windows, curtains and everything. Don't know if I said that before. And all the electronics just run in here. If you need any help, I can tell you. Just a word of warning, it looks like hell in there. I know where everything goes, but I should get to labeling this stuff. It all runs into fuse box, to the battery. I avoid using the AC as much as I can, because I deem it like a waste of power converting them. We have a Dometic fridge. I think probably everyone in VanLife and has that thing. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions to this van, just leave them in the comments. Oh, and I'm also going to show you the front. Alright, please excuse the mess. Let's get right into it. So, I have a Raspberry Pi car connected in here, and a reverse camera, which will probably turn back off because I'm not connected. Because the engine ain't running, so it turns off. Yeah, you can see the front and the back is covered by my camera. Not my camera. The hell am I saying? The back's covered by one of these sheets. So this is connected to my radio. Could have probably done it nicer. It runs Android Auto. Most of you have probably seen it before, just like in a normal car. You can stream your music. It does go wirelessly as well, but as you can see, I'm using the phone, so it's not working. I'm wondering if I can add the rear camera to it. Anyways, it can mirror your phone. I have this USB-C cable coming out here. I just plug it in and throw the phone in there, and then it charges. I can hear my music. I can talk. This microphone here from there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It works great. Anyways, that's it from me.